Let's look at the today's trade in the Bank Nifty. So from the morning, I was expected for the long. My observation zone was 34,150 for going long. 34,150 is somewhere at this point. That is just below to the day low. But what happened is price reverts from 34,250. The reason is very simple. These sellers were not able to push the price down till day low, which means they are so weak. So the buyers took control and pushed the price up. Sorry. Again, it's not an entry trigger. Again, the price moved here. The actual entry for the long was triggered at this point at 11:30. So this was the entry trigger for us because these sellers were weak. We identified the sellers were weak, so buyers took control. And for this long, there was a target at this area. The reason is very simple. So look at this. This was the price moved up and the fall again drastically day before yesterday. So which means there was, I'm expected the sellers will come and push the price down from at this point. As expected, sellers came in and pushed the price down. So for the first long, exit at this point. And one more thing, look at this scenario. So do you consider the buyers are so strong? No, buyers are not so strong or pushing the price up above the zone. So this was our visible reversal zone. I expect sellers to come in and push the price down, and as expected, buyers could not push the price up for that couple of times. You can consider the second attempt also failure. So the sellers pushed in and price falls drastically. Now I'm showing the trade which happened from the people STMPP group. So this was a first short opportunity which happened at 34,678. Second attempt resistance, the price is not move up above at this point, so he shorted here and he exited at this point for around 150 point at this area. So that is a one more short he took. So this is a short which I'm talking about, 34,774, second attempt entry. The price pushed second time to go above the zone but failed, so he entered a short and covered his short position at below. And I took a long here and exited first long at this point. I haven't took any short at this point and one short at this area, and I covered everything at this area, and that's it, done for the day. Two trades. First trade is for around 300 points. A second trade is almost 200 points, so it's almost 500 points in the total movement of 591 points in the Nifty. I almost captured 500 points today, both in a long and short.